How can you turn off the loud volume warning on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. You first have to go to the settings and then to the accessibility section, so get inside it there. And part of the audio and visual section in the hearing, menu there, you can get inside and you'll be able to see the headphone notifications. So you can see a little description there below that, iPhone will send you a notification if you've been listening to loud music, but you have the ability to turn it off. You're going to get another pop-up to make sure that you confirm it and that you know what's really going on, because probably it's better for you to keep it on, right? So you're going to decide how exactly you want to have it, but this is where you specifically need to look for it and find it in order to turn off the headphone notifications. Some similar things can also be found in the main settings page by heading over to the sounds and haptics, where at the bottom you have like the volume limit, but that is for the built-in speaker. You might be interested in that, and also reducing the loud sounds. For the headphone safety, you can also choose to reduce loud audio. So there are more places where you can change the volume settings for individual speakers, like the headphones or the built-in speaker. So that's what you need to know about it. I would really appreciate your feedback. Let me know what you think about it below. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.